Hey everyone, Charles here with CNC Pony Traders. If you saw our last video, you know how good those new headlights look. Today we wanted to give you just a quick overview of how to install those if you've never done it or just aren't confident that you can do it. First off, you need to remove the two retaining pins behind the lights on each side. Then just grab hold of the side of the light by the turn signal by the yellow stripes for the turn signal and the front of the light by the headlight and pull straight forward. You may need to wiggle the light just a little bit to get the two internal pins by the turn signal to release. Here's a quick look at why we decided to replace ours. You can see the condensation and the yellowing on our lenses, and that's why we decided to upgrade to the new ones. At this point, you'll want to remove the old headlight bulb and turn signal bulb to reuse in the new housing. Now's a good time to replace those if needed. Here you can see me replacing the locking ring for the headlight, and here's the turn signal bulb. Ours probably could use a replacement, but we're going to keep it and see if we like the clear look a little bit more. We're going to move over to the new housing, and these will just slide in, as you can see, and then it's just a twist to get them lined up. Once you get that in place, you do want to reconnect your two wiring harnesses for the headlight bulb and also for the turn signal. Those are just plug and play and will slide straight in. Afterwards, you can remove the rest of the protective film and push straight back after lining up the two retaining pins there on the side by the turn signal. As you can see, those look pretty good, and then your next step is going to be replacing the two retaining pins. We didn't show you that at the beginning, but they go in the same way they come out. You just push those down, and you can see they're right behind the light. Look for the small indentation in the metal there, and that'll tell you where to look for them to pull them out. After that, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You can see just getting that protective film loose so you don't tuck it in behind the fender when you slide it in. Get you a little better view of the connection there for the turn signal. As you can see, it does just slide in as we mentioned. And then it's the headlight pin right there. You can't really see because of my arm, but there's a better shot. That also just slides straight in as we mentioned. Get that lined up, and then the next thing you'll want to do is a quick function test to make sure everything's working. Okay, as you can see, we got this one right. Everything looks good. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks again.